At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, shoes business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your journey. 1. Market research. Understand the market demand for OEM shoes. Identify your target audience, their preferences, and the competition. Look into trends, styles, and price points that are popular. 2. The business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal formalities. Register your business and obtain all necessary licenses and permits required to operate legally in your area. Consult with legal experts to ensure compliance with regulations related to manufacturing, sales, and taxation. 4. Supplier and manufacturer selection. Research and establish partnerships with reliable shoe manufacturers or suppliers who can produce OEM shoes according to your specifications. Ensure they meet quality standards and can deliver products on time. 5. Design and customization. Work on creating unique shoe designs or collaborate with designers to develop customized products that appeal to your target market. Determine the materials, colors, sizes, and other specifications for your shoes. 6. Prototyping and testing. Develop prototypes of your shoe designs and conduct thorough testing to ensure they meet quality standards in terms of comfort, durability, and aesthetics. Gather feedback from potential customers and make necessary adjustments. 7. Brand identity. Develop a strong brand identity including a memorable brand name, logo, and messaging that resonates with your target audience. Create a brand story that communicates the values and uniqueness of your OEM shoes. 8. Marketing and sales strategy. Implement a multi-channel marketing strategy to promote your OEM shoes. Utilize online platforms, social media, influencer marketing, trade shows, and other channels to reach your target customers. Consider offering samples or promotional discounts to generate initial interest. 9. Distribution channels. Determine the distribution channels through which you will sell your OEM shoes. Options include selling directly to consumers through your website, partnering with retailers, or selling through online marketplaces. 10. Inventory management. Set up an efficient inventory management system to track stock levels, monitor sales trends, and ensure timely replenishment of inventory to meet demand. 11. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty among your customers. Provide prompt responses to inquiries, address any issues or concerns promptly, and strive to exceed customer expectations. 12. Continuous improvement. Continuously monitor market trends, customer feedback, and sales performance to identify areas for improvement and innovation. Stay agile and adaptable to changes in the market landscape. Starting an OEM shoes business requires careful planning, dedication, and a keen understanding of your target market. By following these steps and staying focused on delivering quality products and excellent customer service, you can build a successful venture in the footwear industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.